So over here you can see that I have an image, and if I were to go around and then apply any effect to this, let's say for example, let me just go around and add in pixelize effect, then the effect preview is there. What you can do around over here is go around on the split view right here. Let me just change around the block width, and you can see that you can see the before and after right here just by clicking and dragging around over here. But let's say I want it the other side around. In that case, if I were to go around and hold shift and click, then what happens is that you can see that now the other side is the preview area. Hold shift and click right here, and you can go around and choose the sides for the split view, as you can see right here, just like this. You can also go around and hold control right here and then click, and then it flips out the switch right here from horizontal to vertical, as you can see right here. So you can go around over here and change it out, and again hold shift right here, and then what happens is that it changes out the sides. And that is how you can work around with the split view settings inside of GIMP and change around where and how it actually goes around and splits out the content right here, just like this. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.